Number 16. The Road Snail Camper e-bike camper is a fascinating invention that completely reimagines what lightweight travel can look like for modern adventurers who want freedom without depending on large vehicles or expensive camping setups. Designed as a compact camper trailer that can be pulled by an electric bike, this innovative concept combines eco-friendly transportation with practical mobile living, creating an experience that feels futuristic yet surprisingly functional. At first glance, the sleek aerodynamic shape immediately stands out because the camper is engineered to reduce drag while remaining lightweight enough for efficient towing behind an e-bike. Unlike traditional camping trailers that require powerful vehicles and consume large amounts of fuel, the Road Snail Camper focuses on sustainability, portability, and smart engineering. Its body is built with lightweight materials that help maximize battery efficiency while still providing durability for long-distance travel and changing weather conditions. Number 15. The Space Camper e-bike is an innovative mobility invention that blends the practicality of electric cycling with the freedom and comfort of compact adventure travel, creating a futuristic solution for modern explorers who want sustainable transportation without sacrificing convenience. Designed with a strong focus on versatility and smart engineering, this unique concept transforms an ordinary electric bike into a multifunctional travel companion capable of supporting long-distance journeys, outdoor living, and urban mobility all in one streamlined package. What makes the Space Camper e-bike especially impressive is its ability to combine lightweight construction with practical camper-style functionality, allowing riders to carry essential travel equipment while maintaining the agility and efficiency of an e-bike. The frame and attached camper system are engineered to maximize balance and stability, ensuring smooth handling even during extended rides across city roads, countryside paths, and rugged terrain. Number 14. The Armadillo is a remarkable bike camping invention that brings together compact mobility, intelligent design, and portable living in a way that feels both highly practical and futuristic for outdoor enthusiasts and modern travelers. Designed as a lightweight camper trailer that can be towed by a bicycle or electric bike, the Armadillo focuses on delivering comfort and convenience without sacrificing the simplicity and freedom that cycling adventures provide. Its unique structure immediately stands out because of its aerodynamic shell and compact profile, allowing riders to travel efficiently while carrying far more equipment and shelter capability than a standard bicycle setup. Unlike traditional campers that depend on heavy vehicles and large amounts of fuel, the Armadillo embraces eco-friendly travel by creating a self-contained mobile camping solution that works perfectly for cyclists who want independence and flexibility on the road. One of its most impressive features is the transformation system that allows the compact trailer to unfold into a surprisingly spacious camping shelter within minutes. Number 13. The B-Triton, also known as the Z-Triton 2.0, is one of the most futuristic and imaginative bike camping inventions ever created, combining an electric bicycle, a camper, and a small boat into a single multi-purpose adventure vehicle designed for land and water exploration. This extraordinary invention completely changes the concept of outdoor travel by giving users the freedom to ride on roads, camp in nature, and even navigate across lakes and rivers without switching vehicles. At first glance, the B-Triton immediately captures attention with its striking futuristic design, featuring a compact capsule-shaped cabin mounted on a tricycle platform that looks like something from a science fiction film. However, beyond its unique appearance lies an incredibly practical engineering concept focused on sustainability, mobility, and self-sufficient travel. Powered by an electric assist bike system, the vehicle allows riders to travel long distances with reduced physical effort while still enjoying the immersive experience of cycling through nature. Number 12. The Woody is a beautifully engineered bike camper invention that combines minimalist travel, sustainable mobility, and compact living into a stylish and highly functional adventure solution for modern explorers. Designed to be towed by a bicycle or electric bike, the Woody stands out with its distinctive wooden exterior and lightweight aerodynamic structure that gives it a unique blend of classic craftsmanship and futuristic mobility. Unlike bulky traditional campers that require large vehicles and significant fuel consumption, the Woody focuses on simplicity, efficiency, and environmentally friendly travel, making it an ideal option for cyclists who want to experience freedom on the road while staying closely connected to nature. One of the most striking features of the Woody is its elegant compact design that transforms a small trailer into a surprisingly comfortable personal shelter. During travel, the camper maintains a streamlined shape that minimizes drag and improves towing efficiency, allowing riders to move smoothly through urban roads, countryside trails, and scenic outdoor routes without excessive resistance. Number 11. The Burley Coho XC is an exceptionally practical and rugged bike cargo invention designed for cyclists and adventure travelers who need a reliable way to transport heavy gear across long distances and challenging terrain without sacrificing mobility or riding performance. Unlike traditional bike trailers that can feel unstable or bulky on rough paths, the Coho XE is engineered specifically for off-road touring and outdoor exploration, making it one of the most capable single-wheel bike trailers available for serious cyclists and bikepacking enthusiasts. Its single-wheel design is one of the standout features because it allows the trailer to track naturally behind a bicycle, improving balance and maneuverability on narrow trails, gravel roads, forest paths, and uneven terrain. This creates a much smoother riding experience compared to wider dual-wheel trailers, especially during tight turns or technical outdoor routes. The lightweight aluminum frame provides impressive durability while keeping the overall structure strong enough to carry substantial cargo loads for extended adventures. Number 10. The Stroke Cargo Trike is a highly innovative urban mobility invention that redefines how cargo transportation can be handled in crowded cities and modern delivery environments by combining the practicality of a cargo vehicle with the compact efficiency of an electric bicycle. Designed with a futuristic three-wheel layout, the Stroke Cargo Trike focuses on stability, sustainability, and high-capacity transport while remaining agile enough to navigate narrow streets, bike lanes, and busy urban spaces where traditional delivery vans often struggle. One of the most impressive aspects of this invention is its ability to carry significant cargo loads without sacrificing maneuverability or rider comfort. The trike's reinforced frame and balanced weight distribution allow it to transport goods, equipment, groceries, or commercial deliveries in a secure and stable manner, making it especially attractive for last-mile logistics, eco-friendly businesses, and urban transport services. Number 9. The Circle Transformer Bike is a groundbreaking mobility invention that pushes the boundaries of modern bicycle engineering by combining futuristic design, adaptability, and smart urban transportation into one highly innovative concept. Unlike conventional bicycles that serve only a single purpose, the Circle Transformer Bike is designed to transform and adapt according to different riding situations, making it an incredibly versatile solution for commuters, travelers, and technology enthusiasts seeking a more flexible form of mobility. Its most striking feature is the transforming frame mechanism that allows the bike to shift between multiple configurations, optimizing portability, comfort, and practicality depending on the user's needs. This transformation capability makes the bike especially useful for crowded city environments where space efficiency and convenience are essential. The lightweight frame construction helps maintain agility and ease of handling while still providing the strength needed for daily commuting and urban riding. Number 8. The Hubatour 2 tent is a highly advanced adventure camping invention designed for cyclists, backpackers, and outdoor travelers who need a lightweight yet durable shelter capable of handling extended journeys and unpredictable environments with exceptional comfort and reliability. Created with a strong focus on long-distance touring and all-weather performance, this innovative tent stands out because of its unique tunnel-style design that combines spacious living areas with compact portability, making it an ideal companion for bikepacking expeditions and outdoor exploration. One of the most impressive features of the Hubatour 2 tent is its large integrated vestibule area, which provides significantly more covered storage and living space compared to traditional lightweight tents. This extended front section allows travelers to safely store bicycles, riding gear, backpacks, cooking equipment, and wet clothing while still maintaining a comfortable sleeping area inside the main tent compartment. Number 7. The Backpack Bicycle by Bergmunch is a unique and highly innovative downhill-focused cycling invention that redefines how mountain riders experience both ascent and descent by combining portability, performance, and extreme terrain capability into one compact system. Unlike traditional mountain bikes that require full riding effort for every stage of a journey, this clever design transforms the entire cycling experience by allowing the rider to carry the bike like a backpack during uphill climbs and then quickly unfold it into a fully functional downhill bike for fast, controlled descents. This dual-purpose concept makes it especially appealing for hikers, mountain adventurers, and outdoor explorers who want to reach high-altitude trails or remote peaks without exhausting themselves during the climb, while still enjoying the thrill of a proper downhill ride. One of the most impressive features of the Bergmunch backpack bicycle is its ultra-compact folding system, which allows the entire frame, wheels, and components to collapse into a wearable backpack structure. Number 6. The Topeak Journey Trailer TX is a highly refined touring and cargo bike trailer designed for cyclists who need serious carrying capacity combined with stability, durability, and long-distance reliability. Built with a strong yet lightweight alloy frame, it is engineered to handle heavy touring loads while maintaining smooth and predictable road performance even on extended journeys. One of its most defining features is the single-wheel design, which allows the trailer to follow the exact line of the bicycle, making it far more stable and maneuverable on narrow roads, gravel paths, and uneven terrain compared to traditional two-wheel cargo trailers. This makes it especially effective for bikepacking, cross-country touring, and long adventure rides where balance and control are essential. The Journey Trailer TX is also designed with advanced axle compatibility systems, allowing it to attach securely to a wide range of modern bicycles equipped with through axles or internal gear hubs, ensuring a firm and reliable connection during demanding travel conditions. Number 5. The Radical Design Cyclone 4 is a highly engineered bicycle touring trailer that represents one of the most refined and practical cargo solutions for long-distance cycling, bikepacking, and expedition travel. Designed with a strong focus on durability, low rolling resistance, and versatility, it is built to support serious travelers who need reliable cargo transport without relying on motor vehicles. One of its most defining characteristics is its two-wheel self-balancing system, which keeps the trailer stable independently of the bicycle, ensuring smooth handling even when fully loaded on uneven roads, gravel paths, or long touring routes. This balanced structure significantly reduces stress on the bike, allowing riders to maintain better control and comfort during extended journeys. The Cyclone 4 is constructed with a lightweight yet robust aluminum frame that provides excellent strength while keeping overall weight low, making it suitable for demanding travel conditions where Number 4. The Big Agnes Copper Spur Bike Pack is a premium ultralight backpacking and bike touring tent designed specifically for cyclists and adventure travelers who need a compact, durable, and highly portable shelter without compromising comfort or performance. Built on the award-winning Copper Spur platform, this bike pack version is engineered with shorter pole segments and a highly compressible structure, making it easy to strap onto handlebars, panniers, or saddlebags while keeping the load stable and balanced during long rides. One of its standout features is its exceptional interior space relative to its lightweight design, offering a roomy sleeping area and efficient use of volume that makes it feel more spacious than many tents in the same weight category. The freestanding architecture allows for quick setup on a wide variety of terrain, from rocky mountain ground to soft forest soil, giving travelers flexibility when choosing campsites after long cycling days. Number 3. The Hoopy Trailer is a highly advanced bicycle camper invention designed to transform long-distance cycling into a fully self-sufficient travel experience by combining compact living space, smart engineering, and off-grid mobility into one innovative towable unit. Built with a strong focus on comfort and practicality, this finished-designed bike trailer stands out as a miniature mobile home that can be easily pulled by an electric bicycle, allowing riders to explore nature for extended periods without relying on traditional accommodation. Its most striking feature is the compact yet intelligently designed cabin structure, which provides a surprisingly functional interior space despite its small external footprint. The trailer is engineered with an insulated shell that helps maintain a stable internal environment, protecting users from changing weather conditions while improving overall comfort during multi-day journeys. Number 2. The Convercycle Bike is a highly innovative urban mobility invention that cleverly merges a standard city bicycle and a cargo bike into one adaptive system, giving riders the freedom to switch between everyday commuting and heavy-load transport without needing two separate bikes. At its core, the design is built around a patented convertible frame that allows the rear section of the bike to extend outward, instantly transforming the compact city bike into a practical cargo carrier when needed. In its normal configuration, it behaves like a lightweight, agile bicycle ideal for fast urban travel, easy parking, and smooth maneuvering through traffic. However, with a simple one-hand motion, the rear wheel swings out and locks into place, extending the wheelbase and creating a stable cargo area behind the seat, which dramatically increases its carrying capability. Number 1. The Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper is a highly innovative e-bike camping invention that transforms the idea of bike touring into a compact, mobile living experience by combining a bicycle trailer, a micro-camper, and a quick-deploy shelter system into one unified design. Built for solo adventurers and lightweight travel enthusiasts, it is engineered to attach to the rear of an electric bike and function as a towable box during movement, then unfold into a fully functional mini-camper once the rider stops. One of its most impressive features is its rapid transformation mechanism, which allows the entire structure to convert from a compact cargo trailer into a sheltered living space in just a few minutes, eliminating the need for traditional tent setup and breakdown during travel stops. This makes it especially valuable for long-distance cyclists who want efficiency and comfort without losing time or energy after a full day of riding.